Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another video. Now hopefully today my mic doesn't play up. I don't know what is going on with it, so let's just get that out there to start with. But looking at XRP on the 4 hour, this is the daily. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to show you the 4 hour in a second because that's where these steps come into play. But this is the daily time frame. On the daily, what I've been saying is we've basically been oversold on the stochastic RSI, ready to turn up again. Look how low we are. We came down to literally like 0 or 4, 3, and then we've been sitting between 4 and 3 and all the way to 18 for basically since our drop at like 5th of December all the way until now. That's like 10 days, or 14, that's 9 days. And it's been a while since we've been this cool on the stochastic RSI. So what I've been saying is, and also the daily RSI is not in the oversold area anymore. It's cooled off a bit and it gives us space to move up. Looking at the 4 hour, we are a little bit overheated now on the 4 hour stochastic. But last time we got this overheated, we did only have a small pullback. Maybe we could have a small pullback and continue. What I will say before I just continue and say like what I need to see to be bullish is when we have these liquidation days, like I've been saying in the last 2-3 videos, it's just a lot of working out after. I'm not saying we're about to rip to the upside. I just think that like anything can happen after the liquidation days, essentially what I'm saying. However, when we work this range out, like I keep saying, we're about to send it again for XRP, and that's just fact, in my opinion. That is my opinion. I think we're going to send it. I think we're probably going to go towards double digits. Realistically, probably towards the end of this month, I think we'll be up there, and I think people are going to be very surprised by how high we are when we break this range, because what I think we're doing is forming a larger third wave, and I've shown you that before. Very simply, I'm not going to draw this accurately or to scale, but I'm just going to show you the sort of structure that I'm looking at. Wave 1. Wave 2 correction that we're in now could last to here, could last to here, just could be a short one. Wave 3 is about normally 1.66 times that of wave 1 at least, so it could take us anywhere, in my opinion, between like, I think 8 is the lowest we could get, all the way up to like $12 or $13, and then pull back, and then a fifth wave take us off into our target zone. That's the structure that I genuinely think is coming. I don't know whether we're going to hit 22. Like if wave 3 takes us to 8, wave 5 might take us to 12 or 14 or something like that. But I do think we probably see something like this. Like that's another potential structure. But if this wave 1 is this large, I think it's highly unlikely that we do stop out less than double digits. I think double digits is on the cards, guys, and I think it comes sooner rather than later. My laptop started going absolutely berserk again. I don't know why that is, but I hope you kind of hear that. I need a new laptop. It's one of the things I'm going to do, but it's like right now I'm locked in on the ball. I'm trying not to focus on anything else. But yeah, so that's XRP specifically. Looking at Bitcoin, this is the liquidity chart on the 1 hour. I do think that Bitcoin is probably going to make a move up towards this like 104, 105K because more and more shorts are coming in. We're getting closer, and as we get closer, more people are shorting. Yes, we have a lot of liquidity down here at 88K as well, so we could come and touch this as well, but as the liquidity becomes more dense, as you can see like here, if we look historically, when that liquidity becomes more dense, it does normally make for us pushing into that area and stopping people out who are shorting. And that's what we're looking like right now. It's getting more dense here. Yes, we do have a lot of liquidity below us, but if we look actually how dense it is, more and more people have been shorting since literally last night, shorting Bitcoin, and when we get things like that, it's often a time to push up into that area. And then as we zoom in, you can see that there is a lot of liquidity below us too, but it's not as dense as this. This is really thick liquidity here, and we're close, so I would presume maybe we do that, boom, maybe down to there, and then we go. I don't know exactly how the structure will look, and I also do know though is that when we do get a parabolic move, like if this does start a move, then we do leave liquidity behind often, but doesn't mean we can't come down first and then go. All I'm saying is be aware of this liquidity above us and how things can move very quickly into those areas. Meme coins on the XRP ledger, some of them have been ripping since we talked about them the other day. Army is up 115%. Phoenix is up 275. Unfortunately, I got into drop at 15 mil, and it's or 12 mil or something. It's at 30. I think I got in at 15. I don't know. It's between 12 and 15. I don't know exactly. I bought some drop. Scraps at 44%. Unfortunately, Brito is down a bit. Where are we, Brito? Brito's down a little bit, 45%. It's at 2.18 million market cap. Obviously, that's my biggest bag. I still think memes are a great beta play on XRP. You can see if you pick the right memes here, you're 115% up. XRP's gone up like what, 10% or 5%. So you're probably doing a 20x on your XRP bag if you've been hold like in terms of relative proportion. So that's why I think that the play is there for memes, potential play. Obviously, like 20x, the percentage that you would have earned on your XRP is what I'm saying, not the amount. But you still would have earned more XRP if you held it in memes, if you pick the right ones. This isn't me saying to go and YOLO your whole bag. It's just me showing you that there is an opportunity there. And I do think probably all the memes will go up as XRP takes its next leg. So that's something to watch for. There's 8 days left on my MEXC bonus. $100 deposit gets you a bonus $20. If you don't have an account, why not sign up? It's the lowest fees for futures trading if you want to trade futures, but it's also good in a bull market, especially when you're seeing everything that's going on with like Coinbase and other exchanges at the minute. I'm not saying MEXC are perfect. I don't know. I know the business developer, the BD guy personally. They've been good to me, and essentially, I just think it's an extra exchange to have in your portfolio of exchanges. I've probably got like 20 or like 10 to 20 exchanges that I'm signed up to, so I don't see why you wouldn't personally. And then finally, Substack comes out today. I've dropped some alpha in my Substack today. I've dropped you a token that I've never talked about publicly. People charge a lot of money for some of the alpha I've dropped in the newsletter today. I've dropped my thesis on what I think is coming next. I've dropped what I think is going to perform well in the next few months. And I've dropped a token that no one else is talking about literally in the market. Because basically, when people tell me things, I try and tell you guys. Doesn't mean it's going to be good, doesn't mean it's not. But I bought some and I wanted to let you guys know what it is. So go and check that out. It comes out today. All I ask is you subscribe and share that with a friend. And to be absolutely honest with you guys, I haven't got much more to say because we're just chopping about. Like I've told you, this is a choppy range. A lot of people are trying to identify this pattern. I'll take it onto another chart. Look, a lot of people are trying to identify this as like a channel, and are saying like, oh, we could come down to the channel, bottom of the channel. We could, but I always said to you guys, I didn't think we're going to come that low. I don't think it's out of the question we backtest this area though. Let me show you. As I said yesterday, I don't think it's out of the question that we backtest this area at like 220, but I don't think we come as low as what people think to the bottom of the parallel channel they've identified. Let's see if we can get this confirmed breakout today. I'd like to see some volume come in for XRP. It's also interesting we start to see a bit of volume coming in for Flare, a bit of a pressure to the upside here. Flare has actually managed to bounce out of the oversold stochastic RSI, and the standard RSI is looking to potentially cross bullish on the daily soon. XRP, we're still looking for that strength and hopefully see the continued step each time higher, confirming us different levels. Let me show you. I've shown you on the 4-hour. Basically, these are areas where we've struggled to close above, but we closed above our first step yesterday evening. And then we've got this area here before the major capitulation that we need to close above, and then finally the highs. That's why I've drawn those steps out for you guys to identify those key levels. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions, and wait for my weekly newsletter that comes out today. Also, if you do trade memes, please use my link in the description below. And again, if you want the MEXC, sign up with $20 bonus for a $100 deposit. You've got 8 days left to sign up, and my link for that is in the description as well. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say. Thank you for listening.